2019 BMW ALPINA B7 review. The special BMW ALPINA B7 shines among high-performance ultra-luxury sedans. High-performance large luxury sedans can be a special breed, pairing extremes of both acceleration and refinement within the hunt for ultimate exclusivity. Even within this small, rigorously competitive band of vehicles, the 2019 BMW ALPINA B7 is really a standout. The B7 starts like a BMW 7 Series. From there, ALPINA, a German company that's closely aligned using the automaker, applies its special sauce. Changes cover anything from modification from the engine and suspension to revised bodywork and unique colors and interior layouts. This all-wheel drive sedan also sports 600 horsepower. In our testing, it rocketed from 0 to 60 miles per hour in mere 3.6 seconds. Keep your foot within it, and BMW says the B7 will top out at 193 miles per hour. Speed is really a mere bonus, though, because the B7's focus is mainly on driving comfort and finesse. Its front seats are probably the most comfortable and supportive there are, as an illustration, and also this big sedan can also be one of a couple of that may be ordered with rear seat upgrades that are included with a reclining function and also a footrest. There undoubtedly are a few sedans offering similar numbers of opulence and satisfaction, with all the Audi S8 plus the Mercedes AMG S63 being the obvious competitors. They are all great, naturally, yet B7's rarity causes it to become a more exclusive choice. What's new? The BMW ALPINA B7 carries into 2019 with minor changes to feature availability. New standard features include 12 months of Apple CarPlay support as well as a suite of active safety and driver assistance features. The suite had been available from the driving assistance package, which was discontinued. Because the 2019 BMW ALPINA B7 also comes in one highly loaded trim level, your alternatives come down to color and trim, in addition to a small list of options and packages. Once you've selected one on the 12 leather palettes, you could possibly consider the Driving Assistance Plus package due to its adaptive cruise control and lane keeping assist. We like the clarity and power on the Bowers & Wilkins premium speakers. However, you can skip the 2 rear seat upgrade packages if you don't plan on moonlighting to be a chauffeur. Trim levels and features. The 2019 BMW ALPINA B7 is accessible in one highly equipped trim level. There's one engine choice, and it is a good one, a turbocharged 4.4-litre V8 that creates 600 horsepower and 590 pound-feet of torque. An 8-speed automatic and all-wheel drive are standard. As you could possibly expect, the B7 packs many standard features. They have an adaptive air suspension that may raise the vehicle for greater ground clearance or lower it for high-speed aerodynamics. Rear-wheel steering is standard, improving both flow speed nimbleness and high-speed stability. Perhaps the most fascinating piece of technology will be the Active Comfort Drive with Road Preview system, which uses cameras to see the road ahead and adjusts the suspension till bumps. ALPINA-specific exterior features include specially styled bumpers, quad exhaust finishes, a rear spoiler and 20-inch wheels. Other standard exterior equipment is made up of LED headlights with auto high beams, heated and power-folding side mirrors, soft closed doors, parking sensors, a rear view camera, automatic wipers and hands-free trunk operation. The interior boasts 20-way power-adjustable front seats with heating, ventilation and massage, premium leather upholstery, a heated leather, heated rear seats, BMW's iDrive interface having a 10.2-inch display, a head-up display, adjustable ambience lighting, an electric adjustable controls, fourth-zone climate control, a panoramic sunroof and power side blinds. Other technology features will include a 16-speaker Harman Kardon speakers, one-year subscription of Apple CarPlay support, wireless phone charging, an in-car Wi-Fi hotspot, a sizable key fob by having an LCD touchscreen, a surround view parking camera system, and automated parallel and perpendicular parking. Standard active safety and driver assistance features include blind spot monitoring, forward collision warning and mitigation, lane departure warning and speed limit information. An optional driving assistance plus package adds lane departure intervention and adaptive cruise control. The luxury rear seating package installs extra plush seats with ventilation and massage function, heated armrests, along with a 7-inch tablet to regulate vehicle functions. The rear executive lounge seating package adds a reclining rear seat and footrest, rear seat entertainment, plus a table that folds out from your center console. This package also removes the back center seat along using the front passenger seat massage, side bolster, lumbar and headrest adjustments. Standalone options have an ambient air package that infuses the climate control with assorted scents, a 16-speaker Bowers & Wilkins diamond surround speakers, a method that allows you to park the automobile using only the real key fob, along with a night vision camera. Trim tested. Each vehicle typically is available in multiple versions that happen to be fundamentally similar. The S in this particular review provide our full test in the BMW ALPINA B7 Turbo 4.4 litres V8, 8-speed automatic, AWD. Note: since this test was conducted in 2017, the actual ALPINA B7 has brought some revisions, such as addition of any subscription-based Apple CarPlay support system and active safety and driver assistance features. Our findings remain applicable to the present year's ALPINA B7. Driving. You would expect so much from 600 horsepower, but somehow this sedan still over-delivers. Acceleration is merely bewildering. More impressive, though, is the place where confidently this massive and heavy sedan handles and stops. The agility and quickness increase the risk for B7 capable and immensely satisfying to push. Acceleration. Really, one problem will be keeping your license safe. With 600 horsepower, the B7 is just about the powerful cars on the highway, plus the acceleration does that figure justice. The B7 reached 60 miles per hour within a ludicrous 3.6 seconds. Passing power is a lot more impressive. Yet the power always feels responsible for all. Braking. The powerful brakes are easy to master and stop this heavy sedan with authority. Equally, you'd hope from the car built inside a country where some freeways will not have speed limits. Their test track performance was extraordinary, consistently stopping the B7 from 60 miles per hour in a very sports car like 105 feet. Steering. BMW has dialed within the right volume of assistance and resistance for your B7. The wheel offers crisp turn-in and good on center feel. The steering assist is nicely balanced, but adjustable settings can increase effectiveness absurd levels, especially inside Sport Plus setting. Handling. Despite the weight and dimensions, the B7 turns quickly and constantly seems to be in a position to corner harder, turning it into seem nimbler than you'd expect. It can snake up a mountain road without protest, and you would possibly even take advantage of the process. Sport modes tense up the rhine without so that it is too harsh. Driveability. The powerful engine is quite quiet unless you stomp around the gas pedal, and also the transmission makes smooth, almost imperceptible shifts. Aside from the slight hesitation from an intentionally soft throttle response when you find yourself in Comfort Plus mode, this sedan drives what sort of luxury car should. Comfort. The B7 delivers peace of mind in spades. The supportive seats have wide adjustability and relaxing massage settings. The suspension and noise insulation protect the inner from most on the outside world. While the climate controls are powerful, the higher level adjustment seems needless. Seat comfort. The B7 provides the kind of seats which you benchmark all the seats against. Extensive seat adjustments with multiple massage settings and pillow-like headrests ensure comfort for all. The middle rear seat's rock-solid backrest and elevated seat bottom mean it is best ignored. Ride comfort. The suspension is remarkably smooth, however, not overly soft. You don't recognize most bumps or road imperfections unless the area of your size that warrants attention. The ride height and adjustable firmness make appreciable differences on the driving experience without excessive compromise. Noise and vibration. You find some good pleasing engine noise after you romp for the gas pedal. Nevertheless, the B7 travels the highway with minimal wind, road and tire noise. Similarly, vibrations are rare, even during bouts of spirited acceleration. The interior boasts the calmness you expect of your luxury sedan. Climate control. The fourth-zone climate control technique is quiet and supremely effective at cooling the cabin. Occupants will adore the heated armrests, too. But the number of customization is daunting. There are too many adjustments even though the product is set to auto, and a few are fussy. Interior. The fundamentals from the B7's interior, from getting inside for you to get comfortable to seeing out, are stellar. And while you may get familiar together with the bulk on the interior controls, the reliance upon touch-sensitive switches as well as the abundance of adjustments could be a source of frequent frustration. Ease beneficial. Daunting options and adjustments. Reliance on capacitive switches causes distraction. The rotary xDrive controller's top is way too easy to graze, often changing the screen. Other inconsistencies are maddening. Sometimes the air turns off together with the engine. Additionally, it waits unless you lock the entranceway. Getting in, jetting out. The large doors along with a low step over make big openings to climb through. The rear doors are even larger, accommodating passengers from a size. You can improve the ride height so passengers do not have to duck down far. The doors also pull shut automatically if you've found yourself close enough. Driving position. The driver's seat has lots of adjustments, such as headrest, side bolsters, lumbar and also a lower leg extension. Combined having a power tilt and telescoping steering column, it's all too easy to put yourself within the right position with all of controls and gauges in easy view. Roominess. The ample size on the B7 results in lots of interior space. Rear passengers especially benefit with abundant rear legroom. The only complaints comes in those rare times when someone is forced to sit inside the middle rear seat. Its elevated seating position reduces headroom. Visibility. The B7 can be a large car, nevertheless the blind spots are minimized thanks on the large side mirrors and electronic monitoring. The hood can be long, but it's simple to see over, so you can sense in which the bumpers are when parking. The comprehensive exterior cameras have every angle covered. Quality. Quality is usually strong, but the headrests sound hollow and cheap if you tap them, and also the underside on the steering wheel squeaks in case you press it together with your thumbs. During our test, the left rear door occasionally refused to open from your inside even while using child lock disabled. Utility. A large vehicle has advantages with regards to space, along with the B7 makes better use of its size. The trunk is huge, while there within has an abundance of storage for small items. Installing baby car seats can be annoying, However, you probably wouldn't want kids touching leather this nice anyway. Small item storage. You won't have trouble finding places to set stuff. The front seats provide an average-size center console, 2 cup holders with an open tray. In the back, there's storage inside the center armrest and also a thin cubby within the back with the center console. The doors have large pockets and other cup holders. Cargo space. With 18.2 cubic feet of storage, the B7's cavernous trunk is probably the largest you would discover in a luxury sedan, so that it will easily carry luggage or golf sets for 4 full-size adults. While the spine seats don't fold, a pass-through behind the very center armrest makes space for extended objects. Child safety seat accommodation. The outboard lower anchors are hidden behind zippers, which might be pretty but difficult to look at. Rear tethers are handled by plastic lids. The massive rear space easily accommodates children's seat, though you may feel somewhat guilty installing baby car seats on leather that appears this good. Technology. BMW has had the kitchen sink approach, adding everything plus much more. The overall package carries a solid foundation but is hampered by gimmicks. The gesture controls give false positives, and also the overly complicated key fob adds little benefit and several inconveniences, for example required charging. Audio and navigation. The optional Bowers and Wilkins audio system sounds fantastic, along with the powerful navigation method is relatively easy to learn and operate. Unfortunately, gimmicky gesture controls often trigger whenever you don't intend these to, adding needless frustration. At least you'll be able to turn them off. Smartphone integration. Apple CarPlay support comes standard, but as being a subscription service which you have to purchase after the first year of ownership. Android Auto just isn't supported. The BMW connected app replicates some functions of these systems and customarily works well. Occupants gain access to 2 USB ports and 4 12-volt outlets. Driver aids. Adaptive cruise and lane keeping assist make frustration outside of stop and go, seizing steering, gas and brake application. All you have to do is maintain your hands for the wheel watching traffic. An excellent camera system shows every angle you will want for parking. Voice control. The B7 understands and responds to voice controls with surprising ease and quickness, rendering it a breeze across the entertainment system. It had no difficulty learning the addresses and desired stereo settings we called out.